Experience the power of water as a mist with the Aqua Oasis Cool Mist Humidifier. Dry air can leave your skin and throat feeling like sandpaper. Instead, wake up feeling refreshed. When you need dry air relief, this quality ultrasonic humidifier is the one you're looking for. It's so good for everyday life. You can enjoy its benefits at home. Your plants can enjoy it, and you can even enjoy while you work. Breathe better, sleep better, live better with the soothing cool mist from Aqua Oasis. Now available on Amazon. Aqua Oasis.
Introducing the Honeywell Designer Series Cool Mist Humidifier. Designed to fit your lifestyle, this sleek 1-gallon humidifier quietly releases visible cool mist for relief from dry air discomfort. Adjustable mist control allows you to scroll to customize the moisture output, and the filter-free technology and wide tank opening make for easy maintenance. Enhance your environment by adding a drop of your favorite oil to the essential oil tray. Enjoy relief from dry air discomfort with the Honeywell Designer Series Cool Mist Humidifier.
Introducing the Cloud Humidifier, the most beautiful way to take care of your air. By hydrating the air in your home, Cloud provides an array of benefits, including glowing skin, improved sleep, and boosted immunity. In a beautiful small shape, it easily fits on your bedside table. Able to run up to 24 hours, it is perfectly customizable to your schedule. Choose from 3 beautiful colors, designed to match any interior. Coming with a lifetime warranty, its quality is guaranteed. The Cloud Humidifier is what your home has been missing. Vitravy. Make the air yours.